Hello, fellow twisters. Glad to see you today. Hope everything is going well. As you can see, if you saw my last vlog, my purple martins are out and about and enjoying the day. We do have more storms coming in, as we do seem to every Tuesday, Wednesday for the last several weeks, but it's spring and everything's getting nice and green. Our leaves are coming out. The wind's going to pick up today, but anyway, I'm going to take you on what I usually do every day, because I'm going to get my in here in my garage. I ferment grains, and I'll do another kind of a content video how all that goes. But here is how I ferment my grains, and I'll put some pictures in of how I do that. It's really, these are gallon jars, and I put 8 cups or 2 ball jars full of grain in this gallon, and then I fill it with filtered water, because as you know, if you fermented anything, the chlorine in your tap water will stop the fermentation. So I don't know if you make your own kefir and stuff. I do, and I enjoy that, and it's good for the chickens, because they give me their more health, their gut health. As you know, their system, everything comes out one hole in the back. Not only does all their excrement comes out, pee and poop, but also their egg. And I want pristine eggs. I want good eggs, and I do enjoy the richness of our chicken's eggs. And I have these 3 gallons, and so I just rotate them. And so tomorrow I'll do this, and I will fill this with the 8 cups of grain. And I use the 6-way grain, and I'll put a picture of that. And here's my container I keep my grain in, and I put this. So I fill 2 containers, ball jars, which are 4 cups each, and put them in there. And then I start, and I'll go in the house. I have a Berkey water filters, and I filter out all my chlorine. In fact, I have the same in my showers. So the chlorine is not good for your skin either. It's an organ, and so I have those filters. So let's go down here. I'm going to take my egg thing, and let's go down and give this to the chickens. And as I said, I do this in the mornings, and this is my out here and enjoying the most beautiful day. And I've got a lot of birds, bluebirds. I have bluebirds on my gazebo out there, and they have 5 little chicks, and they're running back and forth, feeding all the insects and everything to them. Both of these birds feed on insects. They're not grain feeders. As you can see, they're just whipping around, going in. They haven't laid eggs. They're not going to be laying eggs until a few more weeks. But you can see this is our garden. And my husband built a greenhouse on this end. And then on this other end is our chicken, our run, our coop. There it is. And all the chickens. Yep. There they are. They hear me. Okay. Let's see how they are. I hear you. Hello. Hello. How are you? Oh, my lovelies. Yes. I got some grains for you. I know you love them. I keep layer pellets here too, so they can have that during the day too. But I come down in the mornings and give them. Here you go, girls. Yep, right here. There's one. I'll give them a couple trays. There you go. Here's some more grain. All right, girls. Yep. Here you are. Yep. Is it time? Yep. Looks like I need to fill up your pellets. Yep. And I will do that. Yep. Hi. Hello. This is our Easter egger. I think it's blue eggs. Well, come on. I see you out there. This is our, everything's enclosed because all predators like chickens. They're the best prey. So we have fox in the area, we have owls, we have hawks, and everything on the top is all enclosed, yet they can go out. We've lost chickens from neighbors' dogs as well as raccoons, and so we're very protective of our chickens. Yep, I hear you. Yeah. Oh, you're fine. And I give them some fresh water. I'm going to fill that up. We also have a 5-gallon, over there you can see it, a container. But sometimes they fight over the water. Oh, here's our one egg we get from the Easter egg. That's the only one that will lay an egg over here. Just our Easter egg. And here it is. This is a light pale. And Easter, because they have all sorts of different colors. And this is just one of them. And I'll just set this right in here until I go out. Because we have 2 5-gallons of water that we put well water in. And as you can see, I'm about ready. I'm at the end down here, and I'm going to need to transfer this over to this other 5-gallon until we can, yep, get this filled up. One thing about it is you got to have a lot of water for these chickens. There you go. And I'll set this down. There you go, girls. Yeah. There's some water. This is Dolly. Hello, Dolly. She's she's 6 years old. And she's one from the first flock. She's a partridge. She's a Cochin. And the white one here, that's Snow White. And she's also 6 years old from the first flock. But mostly the dogs and a couple of raccoons wiped our first flock out. But these are the survivors. And of course they don't lay eggs anymore. But the others, they do, and they give us plenty of eggs. We at least get a dozen a day. And we donate them to the food pantry because a lot of people don't have, yeah, here we go, food. And right now it's just really bad everywhere in the world, but at least we can help take care of the people here at home. Yep. Oh, you're gonna go up so you can see me? No. Yeah. It's about noon now. I don't come out and actually gather the eggs, because we have some late layers that lay eggs more like 3:30, sometimes 4 o'clock before they will finish laying for the day. And here we're going to fill up this feeder. Yeah. Oh, you're fine. Yes. You think I'm going to keep you away from your food? No. That's right. Yep. You know, my dad grew up, grew up with everything I do was really from my dad and my mom and my grandparents. You know, they kept chickens, they had eggs. My grandmother, they had dairy cows, and she would make butter and sell butter and eggs. Okay, yes. Talk to me. Yep, they're chatty. Yep, you're chatty. Okay, I'll go away, leave you alone so you can eat your grains. And this is all my food are non-GMO and made by Tucker Milling, and they're in North Alabama. And our farm supply, there we go, sells it and buys it for me. No, you can't go out now. I'll let you out later. Okay. No, you have to stay in. Yeah, you have to stay in for now. Okay. Okay, well that feeds our chickens, and that's the end of this vlog, and I'll just appreciate your liking and subscribing, and appreciate your passing this on. Now at the end I'm going to be putting pictures of the Tucker Milling bags that I use for the chicken feed, both the grain and the layer, so you can see the ingredients, and that'll be at the end. But I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.